morning students. See in your mathematics book this next one chapter lines and lines. You see in your book this page number 84. You see this picture. Whose line is it? Today there is a cricket match in Fatima's school. Fatima, Jasbir and Raima have each brought their own stump from home and they keep this in a corner of this room. Fatima keeps her stump in standing position. You see this, she keeps this in a corner of this room and Fatima keeps her stump in a standing position. Then Jasbir keeps the stump in slanting position and this Raima keeps her stump in sleeping position. You see this position, straight position, this Fatima straight position, then this position slanting position, and see this position sleeping position. Then to show others how they have kept their stumps and they draw lines in a notebook. Fatima draws a standing line, mean this straight, this vertical line. Jasbir draws a slanting line, this slanting line, and Raima draws a sleeping. See this sleeping, this horizontal line. Match the picture of each child with the correct line. You see this. First one is Fatima straight line. Then this second one is Fatima after Jasbir slanting line, and Raima the sleeping lines. Then you match this correct one. Then next one, see this page number 85. Here are some standing lines. You see this standing means these vertical lines. And slanting lines, these slanting lines, and sleeping lines, these horizontal lines. I can draw lines with the side of this my pencil box, and I will try to draw lines with only my hand. Then Ekta's lines are not straight and these are these curved lines. You see these curved lines, this type of these curved lines. Is curved lines. You draw more curved lines by joining the dots. You make here one square, in this square you do here dots, and by using these dots and you join these curved lines. Then next one, see this page number 86, fun with lines. Jigasa has a clock. She can read the time written in numbers and also the day of the week. The numbers and letters are made with the straight lines. See here, numbers and these letters are made here straight lines. You see these in this number letter A. Here one sleeping line, these two slanting lines. Then B, one this straight line, and these two are these curved lines. Then in numbers you see these numbers. These three numbers. Again see these two. Means in this 3 and 2 here some lines. This straight line, this also sleeping line, these 3 sleeping lines and one straight line. Here one sleeping line, one straight line, one sleeping line, one straight line, again one sleeping line. Then collect and use these matchsticks. Have fun making numbers and letters with these. You for making this by using these matchsticks you make here numbers and the letters. Is there any number or letter that you cannot make with matchsticks? And now write some numbers using these straight lines. Then next one, see this page number 87, dancing lines. You see this dance. Rima saw a traffic policeman giving directions to vehicles. Does a traffic policeman someone make here curved lines? You see these curved lines in hand and one arm here. This curved line, these sleeping lines, one straight line. And Rima tried tried to act like a traffic policeman. She made many straight and curved lines. It was fun. It looked like a dance. You see this? She tried to like make this traffic policeman, and she made many these straight lines and by using these curved lines, and it was a fun. It looked like at a dance. You see this? Then try the dance steps given below and enjoy like this, Rema. And you look at these arms, they look like this standing and sleeping lines. You see here, this firstly here straight line, then sleeping lines, afterwards sleeping line, then curved line, again straight line, again curved lines, again these slanting lines here. Then see, it looked like a dance, but you see here which lines are used in this dance. Then next one, series point design with dots. By using the dots, here made one design. You see this, page number 88. Join the dots with curved or straight line. You join these dots by these curved and straight lines, and you make your own design. You see this design, in this type of this design you make in your notebook, okay, by using these straight and curved lines. Then here this chapter 11th one, lines and lines, this chapter here completed. Okay, bye.